How can you record yourself while reading something on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Well, of course, if you go to the voice memos, you can start a the audio recording, and you can actually leave the app and the recording will continue. So you can actually open up like a different app, for example, the notes, and you can start reading something directly from the screen of the iPhone while it gets captured to the voice recording. So that is something that you can do. However, a lot of people are interested in actually capturing the video alongside the text that shows up on the screen, and this isn't possible to do through the built-in methods. However, there are some apps on the App Store which might be able to help you out with it, right? So one of those apps is one called Teleprompter, and it basically gets the job done for you, as you'll be able to read and record at the same time. So that's how it's going to show up. It depends on the app that you are able to get, as there are actually more of those apps available, but you can see that this is like the general premise behind it, meaning that you start like recording yourself and you also get the text on the screen, which you like set up before, so you'll be able to read and also just look at the phone. So that's something that you might be interested in. So let me know if that is the thing that you had in mind and if it actually worked out for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and explanations like this, and I'll talk to you in the upcoming videos too.